Hey guys, welcome back. So today's video is going to be a FABFITFUN unboxing without the box. I am partnering with them for this video, so if you don't like sponsored videos, you do not have to watch it. I would have had the box with me to show you all this awesome stuff. The first time I filmed it, the file got corrupted. I had to film again, and that's just a pain. I for some reason, I don't know what happened, it just would not process, so I'm filming it again. I've used some of the stuff. I'm burning the candle it comes with. So we'll talk about that. If you are not familiar with FABFITFUN, they are a seasonal box, so it comes 4 times a year and you get full-size products. So the box value is $200 and you get it for $49.99. And then if you use my code, which is flower10, you get $10 off your box. I swear they get better and better every year. So I'm gonna start out with the candle. Usually I like to be surprised and like kind of show you together, but just didn't happen this time. This is from Super Bloom. It smells so good. I love the copper like holder. For some reason, every time I see these in videos or in homes, I just think it just makes your room look really chic and I love it. So you do get a full-size candle. It smells kind of like a cross between like fresh cut flowers and Fresh Cut Flowers. Is this from Physique 57. It's a massage roller. I have to tell you, I could use this every day I work out. I work out with Orange Theory and I mean, I'm sore every single time. And I feel like after, as much as I work out, my body would get used to stuff and it doesn't. I mean, who doesn't want this? It feels amazing. So you get this as well. I was probably most excited about this. This is from Free People. And the cool thing about this is that there's like a gel, it's like a gel consistency in here. So you can put it in the freezer, probably not the freezer. You can put it in the fridge and get it cold and then lay it over your eyes and it depuffs, it awakens. This was probably my favorite product and I will be putting this in my fridge and using it on days that I don't get enough sleep. This was probably my favorite product. Next is this, I think it's like either a bracelet or an anklet. And it says, it's really dainty and says love on it. I love that. You also get a lip kit. This is from the brand Ish lip statement palette. And I've been actually using this shade. So you get a really nice array of hot coral colors. I love that pink color right there and then nudes at the top. I think that this is one of the better lip palettes that I've seen. You get like every shade that you could possibly want in this. It's not just like all brights, all nudes, things like that. So that is a really good option if you want something for travel. These are hella pigmented and creamy. So that's that color. Let me do a nude shade. How pigmented, that's really nice. And you know what? They're super creamy. And it almost dries down to like a satiny matte. So it's probably a little bit long wearing. Okay, this is amazing. This is probably $50 on its own. That's Murad Skin Perfecting Lotion. This is a brand that I think everybody is aware of. I mean, it's been around since I was in high school and all of his stuff is legit. So if you're looking for a new lotion, it comes in here. And if you get my coupon code, it's $39.99 for the price of this. Also get the KNC Beauty All Natural Collagen Infused Lip Mask and you get 5 of them. I swear by any type of like lip masks, I guess I should. And then lastly, you get a clutch, or you could use this as like a beach bag or something. I don't know, maybe not a beach bag, but you do get this really cute clutch. You could probably use it as storage, a clutch for date night. And it's from Rachel Pally. She's I've heard of her. She's like a well-known designer. So you get a couple of samples. You do get a coupon from HelloFresh for $50. You get a, let's see, this is the peptide infused anti-aging ridge filler, and that is for your nails. Really nice. And then you get a Dove exfoliating body polish, which is a sample. I say it every single time, but I feel like this is the best box yet. I will probably say that every time. And if you want to use my coupon, I will link it below. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you next time. Bye.